What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Jeezy. Eating this nice little cheesy. You know what I mean? I told everybody I was gonna do this YouTube shit. Niggas probably thought I was bluffing. I ain't bluffing. So therefore, let's get it. My first video, the mukbang. A motherfucking mukbang. Can you believe it? And I'm by myself on the Dolo tip. Let's try this Three Brothers pizza. She alright. Look a little phony, but she alright. So, that's the thing. Your boy been chilling for real. Y'all ain't been seeing me in a little while. You know what I mean? That's because I'm working. Gotta have some type of financial money coming in. Because if not, you're gonna be stuck like a rock in a hard place. So, it don't matter where you work, as long as you got a nice amount of money coming in, nice amount of revenue, or whatever, however you want to say it, you good. So, it is what it is. I like it. I'm a more car guy, automotive guy. I got more videos coming to y'all, more car videos, all type of shit coming, you know? I got the Infinity Q60 coming. That's coming real soon. You know? I got a couple videos for y'all that's ready to drop. Y'all gonna like it. So, I'm just getting on. I don't know what I'm finna do next. The sky is the limit. The sky is the fucking limit. Beautiful outside. Beautiful outside. Boy eating this bullshit pizza. This bitch tastes real rubbery. And then look, tell me why I try to go to the Wendy's across the street. Motherfucking, they only serve motherfuckers in drive-thru. I'm like, what the fuck? How they only serve motherfuckers in drive-thru? That shit crazy. I tried to go in, the goddamn door was locked. I said, good lord. Oh yeah, so let's get back to the content. Y'all hit me up. Y'all spam in the comments what y'all want to see, what y'all want me to do, pranks, you know what I mean, fucking more mukbangs, bullshit ass pizza like this. Let's see. Car reviews. Man, all type of crazy shit. So, it's up to y'all. Y'all let me know. Definitely gonna do some pranks. There's so much shit that's on my plate, that's on my agenda, that I want to do, that I gotta do, that I need to do. I know this bullshit ass pizza tastes like motherfucking a bag of rubber bands. Shit, gross. But it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. This is what I'm giving y'all. So, I'm gonna finish eating it, you know what I mean? Nice little day. Nice little sorry butt team right there. Little sorry butt, man. Little sorry butt. Little sorry butt. It's okay. Cause when I see that fat ass, what I see is what y'all see. I'll holler at y'all in a few minutes.